Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management, San Francisco. I'm walking up to 479 7th. This is apartment number 3. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit that we are about to share. So let's come on in. We'll show you the park that's right there on the street next door at the end of the video because it's really, really nice. Okay, here we are, top floor, approaching unit 3. One of the things I like about this apartment is the fact that it has this really nice landing in this really wide area right outside the door. Gives you a lot of options and really gives you the sense of space. Here we are, front door. Nice little wooden foyer area with lots of light. That's one of the really nice features about this property is the amount of light coming in. I don't know if you saw this skylight as we walked up the stairs. Lots of cabinets, deep sink, microwave. This is a gas range, and then again lots of cabinets. Going out that door is the fire escape, and I'm happy to show that to you when you do your tour. Tall ceilings, super nice. This really feeling of openness. Nice living room. This is what I think most people would use as a living room. It has these open double doors, double pane windows, window treatments, picture railings for your convenience. Turning left, we have the bathroom, and there's a vanity mirror. Medicine cabinet right there. Location where the old telephone was. Again, one of the really nice features as I turn around here is the amount of closet space. If you have things to store, this is it. All right, let's go into the first bedroom. This does face 7. This one's really nice. Each of these rooms is really nice because there's 2 closets in each room. This one's a really deep walk-in closet with shelving. And then turning around, we walk forward, and here's another closet for hanging things in here. Right up here is a little landing. You can place pictures, and then you have the picture rail that you can hang your paintings and or portraits or artwork from there. Okay, second room, or second bedroom, I should say. This one's super big. You definitely feel spaciousness here, and could absolutely be utilized as a bedroom as well. Let's go look at the closets here, because I know closets are important. So you have area for hanging clothes. And here's another one right here as well. Okay, again, these are double pane and single pane windows right there, but lots and lots of light, beautiful floors, etc. If you're interested in this apartment, give us a call. Oh, I should also mention, Sonic. So if you're not familiar with Sonic, but you like high-speed internet, this is it. This is fiber internet, which it makes this really wonderful because you get such fast speeds here. But you're interested in this property, give us a call. Again, this property is really nicely centrally located. There's shops, restaurants nearby, transportation, and we're here to answer any questions. I know this one will go quick. All right, next stop will be outside. We'll show you the backyard. And we'll go from there. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye. All right, 479, this is the backyard. So wonderful space. We have some toys, sitting areas right here, but definitely lots of opportunities to make it your own as well. All right, thank you very much for watching. See the links below if you're interested in this property. We'd love to see it. Hello. Yeah, this is a Emeryville mini park. So this is one of the really nice things about 479 7th. You're about 50 feet away from the property, and as you can see, you just have this gorgeous little park that you can enjoy as part of living here. And of course, Geary's just down the street, so you know, all the shops and restaurants. All right, thanks a lot for watching. See the links below for how to see more about this property and to apply or to schedule a showing. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.